me, and I'm back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fly a drone for beginners. So in this video, let's review the remote first. So on the remote, this is our directional stick, so forward, backward, left, and right. This is our throttle, so higher or lower. When your throttle is spring-loaded like this, how it is always snaps to the center, that means your drone has auto hover. If it doesn't, it will actually go pretty freely up and down. Then you have your twist to the side and twist to the other side. And then you just have your power button and your trim buttons. Trim is if the drone drifts forward, you adjust the backward trim, meaning add more power to the, go against the wind. So, and this drone, this is the Chaser Holy Stone 6-axis gyro UFO. I'll put a link to where you can get it in the description. This drone is perfect for beginners. I recommend flying with the blade guards on, but you're welcome. You can take it off and increase the flight time. So let's get started. First, I'm going to switch on the drone in the bottom. Some drones have a switch, some drones don't. You can set it down on a flat area. This drone doesn't have GPS, so I don't have to do the little GPS twisting thing. If it does have GPS, you twist it 3 times around, and then you go up and you twist it 3 times around this way. So 1, 2, and 3. If it doesn't have GPS, don't worry about it. And this drone does not have GPS. Then to connect, throttle up and throttle down, and then if you do that little thing, this drone has a specific timer for the amount of time that it will connect. So you have to act quickly. I always power on the drone before I power on the remote. That way, if I accidentally bump the remote, it won't send the drone flying. So throttle up, throttle down, and then you can unlock your things and turn it off. So this is emergency stop and unlock. This is auto takeoff, auto land. Really, this is just unlock for takeoff, meaning unlock so you can throttle up, and then auto land. So this drone is, it's got a dinky little camera. You can take some photos and videos. They turn out pretty good, actually. Set this in the air before the little baby comes over and decides to give it the baby inspection. So as you can see, I'm not doing the remote at all, and it's drifting, so I can adjust the trim. But this will give you time to do stuff. You don't have to worry about hovering. This is a great drone for beginners, because you don't have to worry about hovering, and you can get right to flying. Just throw up flying. So if you want to take off fast, this is a good drone for you. Otherwise, I'll put a link in the description of another drone, which is also outside. So, as you can see here, I just ran out of battery. So it'll just, basically the motors will stop and it'll fall. So that's one thing about this drone, just be cautious about that. It doesn't even give you a beep or anything. So, let's replace the battery. To do that, you open up the hatch on the bottom of the drone, or some other way. But for this drone, it's a hatch on the bottom. Then you open this up, and then you can pull the battery out. So this is a 3.7 volt, 750 milliamp, 2.78 watt. So it's a big battery. I'll tuck it away in my cup holder. I've got a little drone backpack. I recommend you do the same thing if you're gonna start flying drones a lot, because it's nice to just be able to throw your drone in the back, put your controller in there with it, and then be good to go. In order for me to store my batteries, I keep them in this thing called LipoSafe. Basically, if the batteries explode, it should, in theory, contain the explosion. So to put the battery in, it can be hard, but just flatten this out and slip it in. Sometimes it'll catch on some random thing. Just try turning it over, and usually that'll help. I like to, when I plug it in, I like to flip it upside down. That way, if the propellers try to spin, it won't go anywhere. So plug it in. thing I like about this drone is it doesn't have GPS. So you will learn with, you know, with all the good stuff of not having GPS, and learning how to fly and keep it in control. Now the FAA does have rules, at least for Colorado. It is you can fly a drone without a license, and if you're 16 and up, you can get a license. Or if you want to get, there are the DJI drones. There are other Holy Stone drones that are nice. Though all the Holy Stone drones are probably, you know, at the middle of the line if you're looking for something, you know, good but not too expensive. I would recommend that Holy Stone. So that's it for this review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos like these, please subscribe. And I'm on, and I'm up, over, and out.